I don't know if you guys love packing videos as much as I do. I can't tell you how many hours of packing videos I've watched, but this one's a fun one for us. So this is something we do pretty regularly. We're going on a 5-day trip to Denver. It's going to range all the way from like 45 to 85 in temperature. And we are going to pack everything in not just a personal item, but a small one. So this little bag, I don't know, it doesn't say on the website. This is a Quince neoprene backpack. I'm going to say this is about 12 liters. I think Nathan's is 15 liters. And I'm going to see if I can fit everything for a 5-day trip, including hiking, in that one bag. So the first thing that I do is I wear the bulkiest items on the plane. One, because the plane is freezing, and I try and mix and match everything. So these trousers, even though they look like wide leg trousers, they're stretchy and they're athletic. They're from Athleta. And I have a chambray shirt. This is an alpaca wool sweater. And I'm wearing my hat as much as I can because I'm really sad. I don't think this is going to make it on our year-long trip, and I really want it to. So I'm going to wear it all the time. All right. So the other thing I'm probably going to put, I don't even know if I need to bring this, but this is my trench coat. I will wear this on my body, so because this definitely will not fit in my bag. So let's go through my clothes. This is a set of linen pajamas, conservative because we're going to be at a friend's house, so I need to be covered up. This is a set of workout clothes, a tank top, and a pair of leggings. This is a pair of joggers from Athleta. These are actually one of my favorite pairs of pants right now. This is another pair of wide leg trousers that are a little bit more athletic and quick dry material and lighter. One bathing suit. You always should have a bathing suit because you never know. A white and a black long sleeve t-shirt. As you guys know, I wear everything almost in long sleeve. These are also from Athleta. A white button down non-wrinkle shirt. Then I have 2 more pairs of socks, a pair of smart wool and a black pair. These are enough bras and underwear for the whole trip so we don't have to do laundry. And then I'm going to do my tech. So I will be doing some work and some editing. So here's my iPad, charger. Nathan and I share chargers. This is the one I'm carrying. This is my Kindle, our battery bank, my AirFly so that I can listen with my AirPods on the airplane. These are our mics, my keys. These are earplugs in case we need them. I don't think we're going to need those, but just in case. A pen, my wallet, and this is what I use to put all my tech in for this trip. This is a gift that I made for our hosts. Glasses, sunglasses, my everyday carry emergency kit that has everything in it. Unfortunately, my giant EpiPens, so I don't die if I have a pork exposure. And these are all the toiletries. A few different hair ties, a small container of Aquaphor, brow, 2 lip, 1 mascara, that's it. Then as far as skincare, Nathan has the soap. This is the oil that works for my hair, face, and body. This is my anti-aging cream, 2 versions of sunscreen. This is a lash gel, a little baby bottle of perfume, a brush that opens with a mirror, a comb, my tongue scraper, and the container that they all are going to go in. And that is everything.
Five days. I'm going to try to make it fit in this backpack. This is the other half to my whole packing system from Osprey's to Farpoint. I believe this is a 15-liter bag. 5 days, 2 of them are travel days. So I am wearing the only shoes I'm bringing, pants, a t-shirt, and this will be my outer layer should I need it. The temperature, I'm not sure if Tiffany already said, may range from 45 to 85. So definitely want some long sleeves. As far as the rest of my clothes, I have 2 more shirts. This is also a long sleeve shirt. This is another t-shirt. And this is another pair of pants from Lululemon. Then we have snacks for the plane, toiletry items. This is the soap that we share where we're going. We'll have access to soap, shampoo, conditioner, but we're kind of soap snobs, so we bring our own soap. Tiffany will share that. I have a comb, some deodorant, which I don't often wear, but since we'll be hiking, maybe I should. This is my night guard. We have toothbrushes, toothpaste. This toothbrush Tiffany and I share, though we have each our own head, so that's not disgusting, but we can pack that lighter. So we do share the toothpaste, and we do share the floss. Kindle and my laptop, and then over here I have sunglasses, reading glasses, and my AirPods. Wallet, phone, charger, and water bottle that Tiffany and I will share, at least on this trip.
5 days in a 12-liter and a 15-liter backpack? I think most people can, but you just have to be really selective. If you want to see what we're bringing on our big trip, on our year-long adult gap year and sabbatical, watch this video. I never know which side it's going to be on.
Don't you control that?
No.
Oh.
YouTube controls that. But watch that video and you can see how we fit an entire year's worth of stuff in a 40-liter backpack and these little baby backpacks. If you enjoy watching this video, you might really enjoy watching us on some of our travel adventures or our other videos, including minimalist packing and health hacks while you're on the road. If you would consider, we would be very grateful if you'd like, subscribe, share with your friends, maybe hit that little bell, bing, so it can notify you that when we do a video, and join us so you can journey further and live lighter.